Did you know that Excel can instantly show you important statistical values like sum, average, count, minimum, and maximum without writing a single formula? Hello and welcome to Ben Academy. In this video, I'll show you how to customize and manage the status bar in Excel so that whenever you select a range of cells, basic statistical information appears automatically at the bottom of your screen. This simple trick can save you time, reduce unnecessary formulas, and make your data analysis much faster and more efficient. Let's get started. I'll show you how to do this. Suppose we have a range of data like this. I will write some random values here, and I will copy and then paste and make them value only to prevent changing them in every action. So they are now constant values. To obtain statistical values, you may think that it's necessary to write some formulas like this to calculate the sum, to calculate the average, or any other statistical values like minimum, maximum, and count. But the simplest way, if you don't want to write a formula, is to select them and check the status bar. Let's look at the status bar here. You can see that sum, count, and average are automatically calculated by Excel. Sometimes you may only want to select a few number of cells, and it's not practical to write formula everywhere. So in this way, you can find that with these 7 cells, the average and sum are these values. But you can also modify the status bar to show other statistical parameters like minimum, maximum, and numerical count. If you right-click on status bar, you can see here that these 3 items are selected automatically by default: average, count, and sum. But you can add numerical count, minimum, and maximum. And in this way, if you select the range, you can see more parameters, more statistical parameters like average, count, numerical count, minimum, maximum, and sum. The difference between count and numerical count is counting the cells, whole the cells, or counting only the cells containing the numbers. If you add a text here, or if you add a date like this, if you select these cells with count, you will see that 17 cells are counted, but you can see that numerical count is 16. So the text is excluded when you are using the numerical count here. The date is also considered as a number, because if you select that cell and change the format of cell to general or number, you can see that it will be converted to a number. This number is a corresponding number related to that date, and it can also be expressed as a number, but you cannot express the text as a number. So these cells are considered as numbers, but the text is excluded here in numerical count. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this trick was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support us. And if you have any question, you can write your comments below this video. I will answer all of them. See you.